Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Face ID is not available. Try setting up Face ID later issue on your Apple device. So guys, if you're also facing this issue on your Apple device in iOS 26, here I will show you how can you fix this issue. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then scroll it below and go to general and then go to software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, if there is any update available for you like this, then you have to simply update your device to the latest version. After this, go back and now scroll it below all the way and go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset all settings of your device for one time. And after this, go back and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply scroll it below and go to screen time and now scroll it below, and from here go to content and privacy restrictions and turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions. After this, go back and go to lock screen time settings, and from here enter the code and turn off the screen time on your iPhone. After this, go back and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply check the front cam of your iPhone whether it is working properly or not. And after this, you have to simply remove the protector or glass protector of your iPhone screen as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to open Sport app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way to the Apple team, and hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.